Hi, I'm Ash Watson, fiction editor of the Sociological Review and part of the organising committee for the Sociological Review Foundation's conference Undisciplining II. The conference is taking place this year from the 10th to the 12th of September in Salford in the UK, and we really hope to see you there. This time the conference is asking, who is sociology for? Far beyond simply posing the question, the conference promises to present and generate some vital responses, featuring provocations by academics, thinkers, educators, artists, and activists. You're all invited to join the conversation. Of course, being an event by the Sociological Review Foundation, you know that you won't just be sitting in a classroom listening to some traditional academic papers. This is a really exciting program. It's been thoughtfully curated to centre dialogue, interaction, participation, and it celebrates the most cutting-edge creative work being done in this space. Importantly, this is work on some really pressing topics: the climate emergency, emancipatory politics, migration and our interconnected histories, anti-fascist research, and much, much more. Practical hands-on sessions will centre skills sharing and build solidarities around knowledge production, impact agendas, and questions like how can we collectively imagine utopias. I can't wait. Join us, be part of this event, learn some new skills and approaches, meet some new colleagues and collaborators, and come and be part of the Sociological Review Foundation community.